Welcome back, fellow traders. Today, we've got something truly magical in store for you. If you're a beginner looking to guarantee profits in your trading journey, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of a 100% non-repaint indicator that provides magic buy-sell signals with an astonishing 99% accuracy. Stick around, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's kick things off by understanding what makes this indicator so special. It's non-repaint, which means once a signal appears, it stays there. No more second-guessing your trades. With a remarkable 99% accuracy rate, it's like having a crystal ball for your trading decisions. Now, you might be wondering, why is this indicator perfect for beginners? Well, here's the magic trick. It's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a trading pro to use it effectively. Plus, it adapts to various timeframes and currency pairs, so you have flexibility in your trading strategies. Here's the catch: you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. This indicator's non-repaint status is backed by rigorous testing, and it's making waves in markets worldwide. From Asia to Europe, the Americas, and even exotic Forex markets, traders are experiencing its magic. For in-depth insights and access to this incredible indicator, visit our website at www.nonrepaintteam.com. Also, as a thank you for joining us today, we are offering a promotion where you will win 3 very effective indicators for use with our non-repaint indicator. But act fast, because there are limited units available. And there you have it, folks. A sneak peek into the world of this magical 100% non-repaint indicator MT4 with 99% accuracy, designed especially for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we'll conquer the trading world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.